These rice fields are more than just land. They are the lifeblood of a community. Passed down through generations, they feed families, preserve tradition, and bring pride to the people of Subaim. For many, this place was a symbol of abundance. Subaim was once hailed as the rice bowl of East Halmahera, its fields stretching far, green and thriving. But today, something has changed. The water has turned red, the land tired, and the people worried. In the shadow of nearby mining operations, Subaim's environment is being tested. Rivers that once brought life now carry contamination. The vibrant green fields have started to fade, replaced by fear and frustration. Farmers who once proudly supplied rice to the region are now forced to ask, can we still grow our future on poisoned land? They have reported changes in their harvests, rice yields dropping year after year. In 2018, Subaim produced over 35,000 tons of rice. But today, that number has dropped by more than 2/3. The impact ripples beyond the farms. Subaim's identity, its economy, even its children's future, all hang in the balance. But the farmers of Subaim are not giving up. With limited tools but unwavering spirit, they continue to plant, continue to harvest, continue to fight for their land, their water, and their right to a clean future. Supported by local agencies and agricultural programs, some are trying to revive their soil with better seeds, smarter techniques, and collective strength. This is not just a story about a village losing its green. It's a story of resistance, of resilience, and of the high price we all pay when nature is sacrificed for short-term gain. From green to red, Subaim's journey is a warning and a call to protect what feeds us, to listen to the land, and to stand with those who refuse to let it die. More powerful stories are on the way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. We're just getting started. Like, share, and stick with us for more inspiring content from the heart of the land.